Do you have crazy dirty rims and you're wondering how the professional detailers get them sparkling clean again? Well, check this video out and I'm going to show you guys the products that I use to clean the most dirty rims ever. So the most important thing for cleaning extremely dirty rims that just can't be cleaned with any other type of cleaning product like a degreaser or an all-purpose cleaner, you're going to have to switch to an acid here. And I have an acid, this one's called White Lightning by Carbrite. It's really hard to even get these products, but I'm just gonna show you how to clean extremely dirty rims super easy. Here in Canada, this product, since it's a very strong acid, this product can't be mailed to you, so you actually have to physically go to a company that stocks this product and you purchase this acid. The mailing system in Canada, they won't deliver acids to you. So you just can't buy an acid wheel cleaner. Companies don't ship them. The mailing companies like Canada Post, UPS, and all those DHL, all those companies, they don't want to deal with these acids. They're just too dangerous. For a good reason too, because if you get a little bit of this acid on you, you can burn your skin really bad. And I highly suggest wearing eye protection and a respirator like this 3M respirator, because you can't breathe this product in and you can't get it in your eyes. It'll mess you up so bad. I actually recommend wearing 2 layers of eye protection. I don't know why I haven't gone there just yet, but when I use this product, I often think that I should be wearing 2 layers of eye protection because that's how dangerous this stuff is. And the active ingredient in here is hydrofluoric acid, and it's quite strong. If you're wondering if using a wheel acid to clean rims is dangerous, the short answer is no. And the long answer is yes, you gotta be careful. You can't use this product on polished aluminum surfaces. So anything that's just bare aluminum or polished aluminum, you cannot use an acid on, it'll wreck it. You can't use this acid on glass or mirrors, the side mirrors on a vehicle. Acids will permanently tarnish glass and they will destroy polished aluminum as well. You have to repolish the aluminum and this will destroy aluminum basically instantly. But anything that is a painted surface, this is absolutely fine on. It even cleans, this is actually a really great product for chrome as well. It's basically a cheat code for cleaning chrome, but you gotta make sure that you're actually using this on chrome and not polished aluminum. I've been using this product for a bit here and it's a little bit dangerous, but basically I haven't wrecked anything. I've wrecked a couple things, but you can just kind of easily fix them with polishing. So aside from that, as long as you use this on a painted surface, you should be good to go. Most rims are painted. It's sort of rare to see a rim that's polished aluminum, but don't use this on aluminum, don't use this on glass, and don't use an acid on side mirrors. You will wreck those products really quickly. And I'll show you how I use it. I use this in a spray bottle here, and I dilute this particular product here 50-50. 50% acid to 50% water. And I spray them on the rims. And I've got a really dirty truck out there and I'm gonna show you guys how good this stuff is. You can basically just spray this stuff on, rinse it off, and it's good to go. But if you want a really extremely high quality job, I will brush the rims very quickly. And I highly recommend using this product outside because it smells so bad, you can't use this inside, it will choke you out. And if you use this outside, you just have to be careful of not letting it dry on surfaces. So when you spray an acid on a surface, your immediate attention and focus is on the acid and that you do not walk away until you rinse it off or neutralize it. And it is highly recommended that once you spray an acid on, you neutralize it with alkaline and then you rinse it off. That's just the best way to do it. I kind of don't do that anymore, but yeah. All right, let's check out and see how this product works on some rims outside. See right here, these rims are really dirty. There's lots of heavy brake grease in here. And although these rims aren't too far gone, they could probably be cleaned with just a really heavy scrubbing. This acid is gonna do a really good job at just removing all of this built up grime in here with as little scrubbing as possible. And I'll show you guys how to use that right now. So I'm gonna spray this acid. I'm gonna spray in the barrels first, then I'm gonna spray the tire, and then I'm gonna spray the face of the wheel. And then I'll come back and neutralize it and then I will wash it off. This acid here, it's crazy strong, as everybody says. You can't breathe this stuff in. I can't breathe it in. The acid that I use is really strong, so I have to use this 3M respirator. It makes a big difference. So as you can see here, that acid did a really good job. I didn't scrub at all. These rims look basically perfect, but since I like to do a really high quality job, I'm gonna come in here and touch it up anyway with my brush. And if you did not use the acid, you would not be able to get them this clean. And I will clean another rim without the acid just to show you the difference. And here's that brush that I really love. It's the Easy Detail brush, just the best rim cleaning brush you can get. So as you can see here, we got the rear rim. It's not even as dirty as the front one, and we'll just see how well this thing here cleans up with just a quick spray and a rinse without the acid. We're gonna use the alkaline, but not the acid. Pretty good, but it still didn't clean in here at all. And I believe that this area here doesn't look quite as, in person this kind of looks yellow where that one over there looks bright and shiny. All right, let me spray the acid on it and we'll see how it turns out. All right, there, as you can see, this rim looks incredibly shiny now. And I'll brush it. I'm not going to brush it on this video, but I'll brush it after in a second here. But yeah, the acid does a really wonderful job at just cleaning up. Super nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial here on how to actually clean rims really good using an acid. So it's basically the only way. If you're not using an acid already, I highly encourage you to just get over whatever it is that is stopping you from using an acid and just use an acid, because once you use it, learn how to use these acids properly, it's extremely safe and you basically never wreck anything. And the technique is to not use acid on glass, side mirrors, polished aluminum, and then when you spray on an acid, make sure that you neutralize it with an alkaline and then rinse it off. All right, see you on the next one.